Hi everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. In this video we are going to see how to get live IPL score. It's IPL season and everyone is busy watching matches. So let's see how to get live IPL score using Python. So I have opened a website called ClickBus and you can see live score here. And I'm recording this video on 7th May. So today's match is between Rajasthan and Punjab. Without any further delay, let's have fun with code. The reason why I showed you this website is we are going to get the the data from this website. So as you I think most of you guessed, we are going to import a request and from BS4 import beautiful soap, and now we are going to pass the URL, which is equal to, just copy the URL and paste it here. Let's say URL G, and let's say request dot get and then URL. So this is going to go through this website. So we are using this statement to open this website. So now we are going to use beautiful soap BS4 to get the information. Now let's say let's just say S is equal to beautiful soap dot, let's just say beautiful soap, and then let's say urlg comma html dot parser. So we are initializing this module. So again, then let's say s dot find all, and we are going to find a class equal to, and then the class name. So let's pass in the class name. Actually this should be class underscore, and we are going to get the first element. Sorry, we are going to get the first element. So let's say square brackets and then 0, and then we are going to say get underscore text. So let's copy this statement and paste it. Instead of taking the first element here, we are going to take the second element. Let's try printing these values. Let's say print, let's make this team 1, and then let's make this team 2. Let's print both of them, team 1, team 2. Now let's run this program and see if it works. And we got an error. Oh, actually this should be urlg.text. Now let's try again. Actually this should be outside the we should do this after closing the parenthesis. So let's do that. Now let's run the program and see if it works. Yes, it worked, and we got Punjab Kings and Rajasthan Royals. As I showed you, today's match is between RR and Punjab Kings. So we need score. So same way we got the data for teams, we are going to use the same method to get the score. Let's say score 1 equal to s dot find all class underscore equal to we are going to copy this part and paste it here, and we are going to get ninth item. So let's say 8 dot get underscore text. Let's copy this and paste it here. Let's change this to score 2, and this will be item 10. So now let's print. Now let's say team 1. Let's make team 1 should be inside flower buckets, and then let's make a colon. Then we are going to print the score of team 1. So let's say score 1. Let's copy this and let's paste it here. Instead of team 1, let's make it team 2. Instead of score 1, let's make it score 2. And now let's run this, and yes, we got Punjab Kings 189 for 5 wickets, and they played all 20 overs. RR 118 for 212.2 overs. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.